In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subpage in Google Sites. Whether you're organizing your business website, setting up a class page, or simply managing your personal site, subpages help keep your content structured and easy to navigate. Let's get started and make the process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open your Google Sites page. Assuming you've made it to your site successfully, you'll notice quite a few options along the top and side of your screen. To begin with, we need to focus our attention on the menu on the right hand side. Look for the tab labelled Pages. Go ahead and click on it. This is your hub for managing the different sections of your site. Once you've clicked on Pages, you'll see a list of all existing pages on your site. Now direct your attention to the page where you intend to add a subpage. Beside this page name, you'll see an icon represented by 3 vertical dots. This icon is commonly used for more options or settings. Click on these 3 dots and a menu will appear with several options that are applicable to the page you've selected. Within this menu, you'll see the option Add Subpage. This is precisely what we need to create a new subpage. Click on Add Subpage and a prompt will appear, allowing you to give your subpage a specific title. Naming it effectively is crucial because it provides clarity to your site visitors about the content or functionality of this subpage. Choose a name that accurately reflects what your subpage will contain or represent. After entering the name, the next step is quite simple but important. Look over the name to ensure it's free of typos or errors, as this is how your visitors will recognize this section of your site. When you're satisfied with the name, you're ready to move on. At this point, you'll notice a button labeled Done. Clicking this button finalizes your addition, incorporating the subpage into your site structure. And just like that, you've successfully created a subpage in Google Sites. Now, wasn't that straightforward? Taking these few minutes to add subpages helps in better categorizing your site content, making it not just aesthetically pleasing but also functionally efficient. Remember, well-organized sites make for a pleasant user experience, prompting visitors to return for more. If you followed these steps, congratulations on managing an essential part of your site effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune into our channel for more insightful tips and tutorials.